This dude is making $138,000 a month with 2,000 subscribers. He's almost at 3,000 subscribers. Maybe you've heard of him, but this is his business channel. This whole channel is designed to not go viral. He's not trying to get a ton of views on this channel. And so there's a lot of YouTubers that are kind of hopping onto this new trend. I have a whole video breaking this down. Iman's doing it. Charlie's doing it. And they're starting these new channels really not to get views, but to get the right views so they can make a ton of money, and it's working for their businesses. Now, the thing is, you might be like, okay, dude, I don't have personal brands like these guys. This is Dan Bold. I want to show you him real quick because I actually joined his coaching program and was in that for a while. And so he's kind of been like one of my business coaches in a sense. And like right here, $1 million a year in profit. He's making a ton of money, and he really doesn't have, like, this isn't his small channel, so to speak, his second channel. This is his main channel. And he's got less than 5,000 subscribers, and he's making a ton of money because he's attracting the right viewers. And that's really what you need to do. And so I want to break down how to do this, because if you can find out how to attract your dream clients on YouTube, you can do this with really simple videos. Like videos like this are going to attract the right people. It doesn't need to be overly produced or whatnot. It can be very simple videos. It can be very easy. So I want to show you how to do that. And then the trap that people fall into is they think they don't need any views, but essentially, like, if you need more of the right viewers, right? And so I want to show you how to get more views while still, retaining the right viewers. And by the way, I've been doing this system myself too. It's like, this was in January, $28,000 total revenue. We had some over here on the Stripe account, $9,680. So over $35,000 using this kind of method on my own YouTube channel. And I really didn't even get a ton of views on my YouTube channel. Okay, so check this out. 71,000 views. So I'm basically making like $500 per 1,000 views, but 71,000 views. The AdSense, doesn't even matter because I'm selling people into my YouTube coaching program, where I help entrepreneurs basically get results like this on their own YouTube channels and get more views. Now, my point is, even if you're not making $100,000 a month, but for me, I'm making $30,000 plus a month. This is really, really cool, especially because it doesn't take a ton of work, and it's building my brand. It's bringing me new clients. It's bringing me the right clients. So I want to show you exactly how to do this. First of all, you need to know that views do not equal sales, right? And I think this. That's why you're watching this video, right? You want the right viewers. And so that's better than having more viewers. And so that's why we're seeing people niche down, like Iman, Charlie, all these people do this. And it's what a lot of my students are doing too. So what's really cool is checking out, Tyler just got his first coaching client. He joined a month ago inside the program, and he just signed his first client, a 90-day program, $1,500. I'm like, dude, that's awesome. Guess what though? He doesn't have a ton of subscribers. He has less than 300 subscribers. And imagine as he builds his brand and he just gets more and more views, he's not getting a ton of views, but he's attracting the right people. And this is something I really helped him with when he joined right away. I was like, dude, some of these videos, it's like, these are not attracting who you're trying to attract, which is videographers. And so this is essentially what I told him, which at the end of the day, you got to get specific. So a general video would be like how to make money with video. It's kind of specific, but it's still too general. How videographers can book $5,000 plus clients every month. That's much more specific, and it's going to attract the people he wants to work with, which are videographers who are already having a business, right? They already have maybe some clients, and they want to attract higher paying clients. Instead of best cameras for video in 2025, he should do best cameras for freelance videographers in 2025. It's attracting the right people. Even if it could get less views, it's the right people, and that's all that matters. The right viewers is better than more viewers. So how to edit faster, how videographers can deliver videos in half the time. This is going to attract the right people. So here's two really practical ways that you guys can do this. First of all, the dog whistle method. Essentially, when you have a dog whistle and you blow the whistle, not everyone can hear it, but the dog, turns its head. The dog can hear that whistle, even though everyone else can't. And that's what you want to do on YouTube. So like this video here, I said, this is boring, but will grow your business fast. I'm calling out business owners because that's who I want to attract to my channel. Another one here is the new YouTube strategy is making business owners. I could literally just use the name. So literally just using the name, you can do this. And we have someone in the program who she essentially helps busy moms She helps busy moms with like investing, manifesting, financial freedom really is the ultimate goal. And so here's like how specific you can get is literally using busy mom inside of your title, how to retire 10 years early. Even if you're a busy mom, this is going to attract the perfect audience for her. What I'd do if I had to start investing from scratch as a mom, this is perfect, right? It's attracting the right crowd. The second thing you can do though, and I'll show you how to get more views with this, is to have relevant topics. You want relevant topics. So I got fired, then made $100,000 in 74 days. I don't say business owners in this, like I don't use the dog whistle method, but who's going to click on this video? It's business owners, right? People who are seeing this are for the most part, right? Not, of course, not all of them, but most of them are even business owners. Same with this vlog I did. POV, you get fired and start a business from scratch. Of course, business owners are going to watch that video, mostly. Now you might say, Nolan, this isn't building your brand if you're trying to teach people YouTube. The thing is, I just want to attract the right viewers. Once they get into my world, then I can tell them why YouTube's awesome. And a lot of my videos will be about YouTube, but sometimes I might just talk about videos that are helpful for business owners, about personal branding, social media, different things that I'm learning, right? And then I can open up the world to them about why YouTube's awesome for their business. And that's what I did in this vlog. And I actually landed a $6,000 client from this vlog. He watched it and then ended up reaching out on Instagram to work with me. And if you want to work with me, you can just message me the word scale on Instagram and I can send you some more details on the Content Academy where we help people grow on YouTube. Not people, entrepreneurs. Only reach out if you have a business, online business. Okay. Here's what this looks like for relevant topics as well, which is this simple $5 a day investing trick builds wealth while you sleep. This could still attract busy moms, especially if the thumbnail, has her in it and she's like sleeping, holding her phone. It's like, they just don't, a busy mom doesn't have time. She might see this and really resonate with this topic. It's a relevant topic. I'll show you how to multiply your income in just 5 minutes a day. That's totally, even though it doesn't say mom, not like she's still going to attract people who are busy. Of course, there's going to be some people in here who are not women, who are not moms, but that's okay as long as you're attracting some of them because these videos could get more views. I'll show you how to, really optimize these for views though. The easiest way to build wealth while juggling a full schedule. These don't call the people out. So you're not going to get maybe as many, percentage wise as the dog whistle method, but this is still what you want to do. If you're not using, not every video is, you're going to just blatantly call them out in the video. And so this is how you do it with relevant topics. So how do you get more views, but still the right viewers? Number one, you want to package in a way that highlights the benefit of what you're talking about. So instead of for example, in this video, I say, this is boring, but will grow your business fast. That's the title. The content is actually just how to get more people into your funnel or your sales system from YouTube. I'm not going to title it that, right? I'm not going to title it 4 steps to get more people into your sales system from your YouTube videos. It would have got 200 views, not 2.4 thousand views, because I really focused and highlighted the benefit. What's the benefit of what you're talking about? So even if the title doesn't feel like, well, I'm talking about this in my video, that doesn't have to be the title. If you go watch this video, the hook really bridges the gap to the content. And then another thing you can do here is package your videos, meaning the title, the thumbnail, in a way that creates curiosity. And this is what Tyler's done a really good job of. And this is what I did with this video, which is this new YouTube strategy is making business owners rich in 2025. I didn't mention what that strategy was. It's really about that. That was the video I just made where I'm talking about these YouTubers who are starting these brand new channels that are essentially low view YouTube channels like Jordan Welch and Iman, right? Well, if I titled it that way, it potentially could just get less views over time because I'm kind of giving away the answer. And this is creating curiosity. It's creating an itch that cannot be scratched unless they click on that video. So if someone's curious as to what this new strategy is that is making them rich, they're going to click on that video. And because I say for business owners, it's going to attract the right people. This is literally going to help me get more views by using curiosity. This is a great example on Tyler's channel, land more video clients with this one skill. If we actually just look at some of his videos, he's done a really good job of all of these are like curiosity driven. He's not telling you what the video is about necessarily. He's focusing on that benefit and then using curiosity. This video, if you click on it and watch it, the skill is about sales calls. It's about how to actually ask the right questions during a sales call with a potential client and he walks through what that looks like. But the title doesn't say that because it would just repel a lot of people. He rather would just focus on the benefit and use curiosity to bring people in. And that's really been an effective way to get him not just more views, but the right viewers, and then optimizing to attract more of those right viewers. Now, if you're looking to build your personal brand and your business on YouTube, you want to make sure that you're utilizing top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom of funnel content. And if you click on the screen, you can check out that video. I walk you through exactly how you can set this up for your business to make a ton of money. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.